Hello and welcome to September 2023 Paper Pumpkin with love and gratitude. I'm going to quickly show you this month's kit and quickly put something together, and I hope you will enjoy it. So here's the box that it came in. I've already opened it up. Comes with the pretty foil tissue paper, some glue dots, dimensionals, tear and tape, stamps, Lost Lagoon ink spot, and everything you're going to need to make these 8 bags and 8 little gift notes. These come with instructions for each one. I'm going to just put everything aside, and we will do number 1, which is the card. So I have the gift card here. I don't know why I call it a gift card, note card. And it says to stamp using the branches stamp. So I'm just going to take a scrap piece of paper and stick it in here so I don't get it all over the place. And I'm just going to randomly stamp around the card front. It doesn't have to be any way in particular. It's just for a background aesthetics. There. So there's our card. And then the next thing to stamp is the with love and gratitude sentiment. We have the little sentiment here, peace here. I can speak. With love and gratitude. And then it has us putting glue dots on all these pieces. Alright, so this gold piece has glue dots on it. So I'm just going to quickly put a couple of glue dots on. Sometimes they come off right, sometimes they don't. But that's okay. So this goes down here as pictured. And then the leaves, just put a couple on those. And that looks like here. And then these 2 floral pieces, there are glue dots on the back of one side of this smaller pumpkin, and then dimensionals. These are mini dimensionals that are included. Put one here, and then a couple on here. So the bigger one goes down first. Like so-ish. It doesn't have to be exact. This is your I put them on backwards, didn't I? Because it wants the stem to go this way. So I need the dimensional on this side and the glue dot on that side. So that it pops up and sticks to it. There we go. Alright, then we've got our sentiment. And the sentiment is just put on with glue dots. 1, 2. Peel off the backings. It's being stubborn today. And then just stick it up there. Alright, so there's our card with matching envelope. Alright, number 2 is the little box. So here's the box piece, and it wants me to open this up and I don't know what I did with my bone folder. So we're just going to use our fingertips for now. So on this flap here, it wants a piece of the tear and tape. I just have to find the end of it. There it is. To go right here. And it's easy, just kind of roll it down, hold it down with your fingernail, and rip it up. And then on this piece right here, on the outside, another little piece. And then flip it over and put another little piece here. Then we're going to fold everything up. It's already been, So I'm going to first put these pieces, take the tear and tape off of these sides, and fold those in, and then fold this in, and then I'm going to take this one off and fold it down flat. Kind of make it even. So it's a box. And I just flipped it over and used my long block to just kind of push everything down to make it stay. And then this folds down. Now I put, it's not in the kit, you could put, to seal the kit, you could just use one of these little dots, glue dots, once you have something in there. I'll just do it for now so that you can see. There's the little gift bag. And then we're going to take these pieces and I'm going to put glue dots on here on the front as per the directions. So it has one here and a couple down here. Take them off so that it's got the stick on the die cut, and then it has this piece go right over it. Like so. And then we're going to flip it over and add some glue dots to that piece. Whoops, might help if the stick is stuck to it. There we go. Like I say, sometimes it comes off easy and sometimes it's stubborn. Just be careful of the little branches underneath because they are very delicate, but they look awesome. So, alright, flip it over and attach it to the front of the bag. little gift bag. And then it's a thank you sentiment. Just going to ink it up. Stamp. And this one is put on with dimensionals. So put a couple of mini dimensionals down. And put it right across the top, like so. So there's our little note card and bag. That was pretty easy, wasn't it? All right. Well, thank you very much for joining me. I hope you learned something. I hope I gave you a hint. It was quick and easy to put together. There are 8 cards and 8 bags in this kit. And next Sunday I have my mystery card class. I'll have the supplies listed on my website. I hope you can join me, and until then, happy stamping!